Hey, what's up, guys? I've seen some people asking on this post about the add-on feature. So this does not come standard with the Go, at least as of November of 2019. And what it is it's basically just a GoPro connection. Now, I just got this at Best Buy. I would not recommend buying this because apparently those are useless to me. Basically what it is a GoPro connection, and that was useful to me. However, they didn't put a bolt in it, so I had to jimmy rig a bolt, which was another just really stupid thing. So I would probably recommend just trying to find this GoPro connection online. I'm pretty sure you can find it for a couple bucks. And then also because I like to shoot videos and I like things that are portable, I got this little tripod here. So let's go ahead and just put this on. Now I'm sure that there's a way to do the quick connect if I would have maybe bought the right thing, but at this point I don't really necessarily want to go spend more money. Okay, so basically all you do is connect your piece there, and then depending on your tripod, which is probably going to be more robust than this, I just need to extend this a little bit to be able to get the kind of support that I need to keep this stable. Okay, I believe as they say in French, mon petit pomme de terre, and it's little potatoes. So let's go ahead and plug this in. I recommend using a tripod this small, but I'm using it just to show you that it can be done. So there's an interesting optical illusion here. It's not a tripod, it's a dipod. Amazing. And my favorite llama, of course, because I gotta throw that plug in there. In case you didn't see my last video, Secret Island Solar Musubi, I have a kind of a Russian doll type situation here. I just thought I'd show you that because this is the vintage solar cooker. But where it gets real Russian doll is I can actually take this tripod, stick it inside of the Go. Okay, I'm going to use my plate that I actually got for free from a garage sale on a rainy day. And Idaho is, of course, famous for potatoes. And then let's just do a quick temperature test as well, because I always like to do that. Our pomme de terres are 180s, 190 degrees. And then the inside of the tube temperature, I think I'm running out of battery, 217, so not too bad considering it was kind of sunny or cloudy, partly cloudy today. Alright, here is the final product. A masterfully blended medley of fingerling potatoes. Alright, and it kind of matches the plate too, so enjoy. Hey, so if you're thinking about buying a GoSun product, make sure to enter in AMBAS97 for a discount at checkout. Also, if you like these videos, you can download the Brave browser and tip me in cryptocurrency, which is BAT, Basic Attention Token. The browser was made by the guy who created JavaScript, and it's pretty awesome anyways. I use it all the time. So, thanks a lot. And when you sign up with Brave, they'll give you free Basic Attention Token. All this here was given to me just for using the platform.